What's up, YouTube? So, we're about to do something real quick. It's Michigan. It ain't too cold, but it's cold. And I let some of my equipment sit outside overnight. So, I might still be building steel. I'm gonna leave my equipment out at night, and we're gonna see how good it starts up. These not too cold, but dead of winter, I got my equipment up outside. And I'm gonna let them settle night, and we're gonna try to do the start. Right now, my backpack blower, as you can see, it's been sitting overnight. Haven't touched it. So let's see. Does it start up and easy? And when I mean easy, 3 pulls, choke off, start. Anything else is just a miracle. There we go. Hasn't been touched. Ball's all glazy. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna prime it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get it off of there and pull. Beautiful. Steel to me lives up to their name. Steel lives up to their name. That's funny. So, really quick, I gotta empty my truck out. But I thought that was pretty interesting. And like I said, I'm gonna do more videos. We're gonna do, I think I'm gonna name it like Cold Start to Life or something. We're gonna name it something sweet. But talk to you later, YouTube. I ain't doing nothing but empty my truck out. So if y'all wanna leave, leave. Other than that, join us. Hold on, I got one thing to talk about. I'll be right back. Got you all waiting like that. So if you're still here, then I guess you like my channel. I think I'm moving to Georgia. I'm about 99% sure I'm moving to Georgia. I got some opportunities that I just don't think I want to pass down. I'm relocating my business. I'm about to shut that city down. So, Distributive Lawn Care, still keeping the name. And we're going from there. I'll talk to y'all later, man.